Again, as a towel of Campiago lawyer.
What happened? Why are you crying?
He broke up with me again.
Okay.
Who broke up with you?
My boyfriend, of course. See, I'm so emotionally down. I am tired of men. Men are just so wicked and so mean. No matter what you do for them or you do to them, they'll end up showing you shaggy. I'm done with men. I'm so done with men.
Okay.
But wait first. Is it every month they break up? Since this year you don't break up more than 5 guys this year alone. I just don't understand. Is it after your monthly period they will use breakfast to wash it down for you?
Very much. I'm not here for you to laugh at me. I'm not. I'm just here for you to console me. I just need a place to cry.
Why is it that anytime you break up with your boyfriends, you come straight to my house to cry? I just don't understand. Eh? My house is now funeral home, Abi. Ever the real John.
My friend now, it's a crime that I came here to cry. That I'm looking for a place to cry on.
No, nah. My house is now church. Eh? My house is now church. Eba Pope Awada. Eh? Or house on the rock. When it's time for them to chop you, carry and go give them. They will just suck you like periwinkle. Eh? But when it's time for you to cry and offload your pain, now you remember me now. Not one father.
Gosh, please, I just need the shoulder to lean on. As you can see, I'm really hurt.
I should have done the pay me. Can't they go your house?
Excuse you.
Can't they go your house because you ask me excuse?
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Look what